Good mighty morning, owls. This is Miss Weiner. Today is Tuesday, April 6th, 2021. Please rise and help me recite the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing and help me recite the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one, indivisible. Now it's time for the Owl Pledge. Say it with me. I will succeed in school with wisdom and with knowledge. I'll give 100%. I will go to college. I'll do whatever it takes, just like my parents do. I'll sweat the small stuff, just like my teachers do. I'll give no excuses each and every day. I'll close the achievement gap, working hard in every way. With my team and family, I give my Owl Pledge. I will succeed in school with wisdom and knowledge. Go Owls! Hoot, hoot! Now for a moment of silence. You may be seated. As you know, IDS South Flores Academy is the best elementary school in the state of Texas. Good things happen here every day. Here's some things that you have to know about. Scholars, I have seen some amazing work coming through. Scholars are proving their answers. They are making sure that they annotate their answers. That means they're circling, underlining, highlighting all the important parts. They're also ensuring that they know exactly what the question is asking them to find. So nice job, scholars. That is all the way from pre-K all the way to 5th grade. Nice job. Also know that we have a lot of scholars in 1st and 2nd grade rocking it in reading. Wow, scholars, we see you. You're doing an amazing job. Also, today is 4th grade writing. Star if you're here at the school, and if not, you're at home, you're going to take that internal test, which means it's the same test as if you were finishing the year for writing. So, if you're here, you're doing the STAR. If you're at home virtually, you're going to take the 4th grade writing internal exam, which means you're going to be able to test on all the things that our amazing Miss Cerna has taught you all year. All right, scholars, you're going to do amazing today, and it's a great day to learn. So we'll see you in the classroom. Hoot, hoot!